Hi, so this is how I open my Eribong. So for the tools, I use a guitar pick, which for me is the best material kasi it's just the right thickness, and since it's also plastic, hindi niya magagasgas yung Eribong. Disclaimer lang that mine has scratches from the previous tool that I used. Dati kasi ang gamit ko pressed penny, which is piniping coin. So metal siya, kaya nagasgas niya yung part na to. So just make sure that when you hold your Eribong, it's like this. Parang horizontal and not vertical. Kasi pag patayo, pwedeng mahulog yung contents niya. So, hold it at an angle, hold it here. And then, yung guitar pick nyo, ipapasok nyo sa corner. Like that. Okay? Dahil narrow yung tip ng guitar pick, madali siyang isuot. Once it's there, just lift it up and then maririnig nyo may magsasnap. So, nakataas na siya. Just repeat it for the same corner and then, ayan na, bukas na. So, you can easily take it out and make sure to remember na yung wide sides yung nasa top and bottom. And then, let's just switch it out for another Junyeon because he's back. Welcome back, Junyeon. I don't know if I want to use this or this new Panimyon pattern. So, maybe the Panimyon. And let's just put it back. And you're done. Hello. Again, welcome back, Junyeon, and I hope this helped. Tiwala lang na matibay naman yung Eribong natin kasing tibay ng EXO, lol.